Alright, so we deadened the front door so far. We're going to do the whole vehicle eventually, but I wanted to do the knock test to show you just how much vibration is killed with this. So outer skin, inner skins all deadened on this one. This one has not been touched yet. You can hear how much hollower this one sounds. So we're going to solidify this whole truck, make it sound like a tank.